shooters.
Alright, for the side. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. If you guys never caught the video before, jump over to the link and you guys can find that. But yeah, we are at the evening shoot where, you don't know, we heard that there's going to be a lot more shooting going on, so a lot more birds, and there are a lot more hunters out there, even females hunters, so that's gonna be a vibe. Alright, so we're gonna follow Nick So Sick and get to the most appropriate spot where we can see everything will go on. Vibes. You wanna see Nick? Is it Nick?
Got jokes.
As me forward the young yans there, so about to fry up some birds. That's what you're gonna do, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because I don't have anything else.
So you're the chef?
One of them.
One of them, that's a vibe.
There's tons of them. My dad is the most common one.
Vibe.
My dad. I should have saved you some of the fish. It's been marinated, that's why it's like this. When it don't marinate, it's not as crazy. I just need a fork stone. Dad, I'll flip that. You're not too fun? Because that piece almost done. Yeah. I want the wing to cook.
Marks, marks, attack. Mark down there.
If I put it down earlier,
Then
I
I
looked up here earlier.
Mark up there, Matthew. I am a June. I
Go on, keep further.
Nick.
Yo.
Where are bro? Alright, so we've moved to another spot. Not many people are on this side right now. We're Samuel Prospect, so yeah. But they mentioned that usually in the evening that's when the birds come out hot. It is now 4 o'clock and they're saying somewhere around 5. That's when the flight patterns pick up. I've been looking at what the other hunters have caught so far. It's not a lot, so I'll see if the evening shoot is a lot more fruitful than the morning one.
Well, if you shoot them to that side, they don't look too bad right now.
Watch out now. Go straight up and go down. Yeah, drop and crawl.
Mm-hmm.
it come, I shoot in front time. Alright. Got you now. Come rock. Watch him.
Yes. Dead bird. That wasn't your kill?
Eh?
That was your kill?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Mark strategy.
Ooh! Yo! Good shot. Another.
You got that?
Yep.
One right there, saying. Oh, you know him there. Pretty white. Some nice white eggs.
Wow. Woo! Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Ramon, out of shooting or fishing, which one?
I love both, but I think I love the shooting more. I love hunting and so on.
Nice.
Yeah, fishing is great and all that, and intriguing in the sense that when you do go fishing, you never know what you're going to catch.
Yeah,
You know, but hunting most times you know what you're going to get. You know,
true.
but I love the hunting. But I don't like the easy hunts, the little gentleman shoots where them just come in like that. I like the challenging shoots.
Yeah.
That is what's sweet. You have to shoot them. You have to pull it out. Or you know, I get none. Yeah, man. But I love the fishing too. Bad.
Facts.
I think I do way more hunting. You're Gary, man.
Yeah, man. How shoot?
Hey, Stratty! Gary's feeling it! I'm feeling it!
Coming over the tree. Omar.
Amar in front. Where's Gary? Remember, bring a rum for me. Give me a liquor tea. In drop on the fence line. Hey, look out to me.
Hey.
Oh! He's down. Should have 2 or 3.
Jesus.
Drop. Almost shot me.
In drop.
Yes. Hey Dad, where's the bird that drop over here? Nuts.
Back behind that tree.
Behind where you were cooking on the back there.
Ice on the wings.
How much bird now? 10? Alright. Right time. Okay, just 5.
Yeah, get one.
Let me get a couple more, I'm going to call one of them over there since no one did not come. I'm going to call Andrew over or one of them since no one did not come.
Oh man, you just add into the tally, man.
Yes,
Yeah,
man.
man.
We get in there. We soon get back. We soon get back and then I'm going to call one of them guys down.
Yeah, the brand Shanti do something and say, Borry, go on in here. Gave Borry $1,000 and I said, now the Borry and herb since then. Where were you? After you're supposed to do it. One shot, one kill.
Jeez.
What do you expect? That was a good eye, you know. It was a good eye.
Really hard. Turn back when they see we. Hey, then turn back when they see we to us.
Danger zone. I never travel higher. Still third.
Watch out, change the zone, you know. Watch out. Then they go up to our car park, shut up.
Wow.
Drop.
Colin get a boat.
Oh, nice.
Paloma. Paloma.
In front, shut up. Omar! Omar!
What's on your right, Andrew?
Andrew.
On your right.
Right, coming over.
Female Andrew.
Oh my God.
Nice shot. Again.
Another.
Kill him. Where your bird drop? Over there, sir.
Nice shot, Andrew.
Where Pim there? Pim, come pick up the bird, man.
Yeah, man. No, but Matthew's gun is very nice.
It's nice.
Mark
I
Slade!
think he kicked for a fucking bird.
Gary, man, your mouth too big. Stratty! In front, Stratty! Lick him. Okay.
Hey. What?
Yes, Stratty!
What?
Stratty!
What? Yo.
Yeah, man. Stand manager. They drop right there and over there.
Go a little bit here.
Right. Oh, whoa.
Stand manager.
Right in the neck.
Next shot. I may tell you, say, that if you
That
don't
look like fig.
Okay.
This bird eating fig berries. That is nice eating bird.
Sweet.
Nice eating bird. Better than when they feed on the burnwood.
It's a sweeter flavor than the meat.
Them bitter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Feed of these birds. They're very fast.
Yeah. Them don't look
Extremely.
like them traveling
And
fast.
some of them farther than they look. When they come up here, them look near, you know, but them farther than them look sometimes. And I say, alright, I'll go and give him a lick this year. And you were with him. The two of you benefit from that shoot. I don't put anybody in that stand. Yeah, man. That's a nice stand.
Yeah, it's a great gentleman stand.
Yeah, man, that is a sweet stand, the way the birds come up.
And it's like the
Out
coverage.
here, some more challenging than up there, so. That you're on a little hill, you know, we call that the hump stand.
Okay.
That one on the hump stand. Stratty is in the hump stand. Because you have the whole stretch and you have that little hump right up there, so. It's higher than all out here.
No, Gary, no!
Gary, no! Nice, again. Again.
Yeah. Somebody clipped him. Yeah.
What Gary? When your bird drop, you watch it, Rancy?
Yeah.
The one where him shoot a while ago. The one. Andrew. On the left, Andrew. drop it.
Hey.
Watch a flock fly over them man don't wanna do here nothing, you know. When me tell you if I go, you know, you leave before time, you know, when flight start. This little spot right behind here is good. A flock of bird just pass right out here. Yeah, that's it, you know. You see when you're most relaxed, that is when you kill. No anxiety, no, just settle. Yeah. Killing bomb. Hey, watch behind Gary!
Hey.
Gary didn't fire that one. It's either Omar or somebody up that side. Omar killed. Gary! Nice shot.
So of course we're on the shoot and NEPA passes through, which is I guess kind of cool that the government kind of regulates everything, but everybody knows the rules and doing what we need to do. So yeah, that is a vibe. But yo, I kid you not, the evening shoot is sweet. It's a bunch of birds are like, yeah, going straight to the pot. It's ridiculous. And what's cool is that, you know, the kid is back there cooking up a storm and he's only 10. Yo, so as you can see, the sun is setting. Some of the hunters are going to be heading back to Kingston. But one thing I definitely really love is like the level of camaraderie, because like for example, if they realize that one hunter is not getting enough birds, you know, they might have them come over to their stand, which might be a lot more active, so everybody gets a chance to chime in and just enjoy the whole thing. So it's really cool. And then when someone gets a shot or a kill, whatever you call it, you don't know, everybody is just really excited for each other, so that's also another plus vibe. Whoa. Sweet. Oh my gosh, wow. Wow.
In the truck out there. Right in the truck.
Take him up now.
Mark Stratty!
Afraid I may be live.
Yes.
Let's see.
We are alive anyways.
And see two Atlas.
Wow.
Have to follow me and nurse him.
Look up on
Oh my god.
You push him through?
Yep.
I'm saying the week when we come to look, we hardly see anything. And on the weekend, I'm like,
Is there no other days of the week?
yeah, I can't believe that. But him swear, you know, man. A couple times he tell me that. That the birds know the days of the week. And after the shooting stops on a Sunday, all the birds fly.
All of them.
That is so funny. When them tell me the amount of birds flying.
So we can sit outside.
Oh boy.
Oh, yeah, go for that. No, like, you know, dropping your shit. I'm gonna fly
Him not drop.
Him drop.
Him drop.
Him drop down there. Yeah. I should have licked him again, but he was diving.
Yeah.
This time I don't know.
So Raman, tell me something like the bird boys in particular. How do they get these jobs or these appointments?
Okay. You know, a lot of them, we know them from their little kids.
Okay,
That just eager beaver to come to the bush and learn.
gotcha.
And we take them and we train them, you know. And a lot of them, they benefit with the bird season by way of the hunters going beyond just paying them for the services of picking up bird and send a little money for them granny and thing and make sure them can go back to school and so on. The bird shooting help a lot of rural areas more than people realize. It's a big thing.
Gotcha.
The connection.
Oh,
The connection with the bird shooting fraternity, which them say is a rich man's sport,
yeah.
right? You have business owners and big people that venture into these bush areas and rural areas and small districts that they don't normally go to. And the interaction creates an environment where a lot of these rural people get opportunities to come to town and city and so on and work for these guys. It benefit them family, not just them whole family. From I was a kid, I watch it with my parents and my forefathers in the bird hunting.
Oh.
Parakeet! Don't frighten me like that.
Come over here, so come over here. Oh no. You know what time it is, man.
Good evening. Not too bad, you know. Eh? You can take a look on that. I don't think I reach it back yet, but that's
Almost there. Charge you for that.
Go on. We get some nice whitehead this evening.
That's for your YouTube channel?
Pardon me?
The video is for your YouTube channel?
Yes.
No, it's like me see you and remember the bonnet.
The rock stone them one broke my foot. I ring out my ankle.
Yeah, you have to watch for the stone them. I whip a stone out here.
I'm done.
You done?
Yeah.
Alright, no problem. Pablo, you have anything?
Must it a bite you? Or
Yes, you see them have them on leashes like dog and
you pick and choose?
like they would sell a goat tie up live in the market. Them have the iguana them tie up selling live and people buy it and carry it home and kill them and cook them. Some big long iguana.
Wow.
Different culture. Jamaica don't know about that. Me eat lizard, not a rat.
So them not eat something.
But the meat look pretty, you see?
Hey!
That one was expensive.
Yeah, 3 shots.
Can't bust too much shot and I get something.
I know it. Why? From the first shot, so. I just been anything bored for a while. Catch me off guard.
You gone wide.
When you see the whole one,
Come back around. Wow.
Hey! Hey, that bird!
Hey.
I know me can't get my rocky, man. My rock. What go and see?
So I try to get a little evening flock.
Get the watchman, you know, last one. See what's going on. I have a late flight out here normally, so probably get 1 and 2 before we're ready. The birds enough like mosquito.
So this evening shoot has been a lot more engaging. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. Even if you're not shooting, just watching, it's epic. Just the energy of everybody. But however, they say that tomorrow morning there's going to be a shoot by a place called Coconut Walk, and like I mentioned before, that's going to be a bait shoot where it's just going to be a whole cluster of birds, just a whole heap of them. So it seemed like I have to go wake up early again tomorrow morning, so that's probably the downside of bird shooting, the early morning rise. But we're going to head out there tomorrow morning to catch some of the excitement. And then I believe they're gonna have some form of a hunters cook up by David, where it's supposed to be like a bunch of people. So anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.